Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The following essay, published in Harper's in September 1999, is a critique of the quality of required reading in American high schools. Books discussed in this essay include I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. Bantam Books, 1983.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
She sings because her will is not broken. Singing sounds simple and sweet, but singing can be an act of defiance. When left mostly powerless and unable to fly, she still does that which she was created to do, despite the bars of her cage.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.